The Idiya Kentucky coffee table comes in 3 colours. It has a solid wood top and a matte black finish and is on a powder coated steel frame. It also has 2 roller drawers, is sleek and simple, and it's great for modernising any space. The smaller drawer measures 28 by 13 by 7 cm high and is great for remotes and other small items. The larger drawer measures 33 by 28 by 7 cm high, and both drawers have a soft close feature. There is also an underclearance of 18 cm.